Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be a lot of fun to kick off the spring season with a little spring tea party. So we have been prepping and making lots of treats and goodies for our tea party, and this one is going to be kid friendly. My 10-year-old daughter helped me select the menu, and we have chosen some things that I think that if you're having a tea party with younger people, so teenagers, preteens, younger children, they would definitely approve of this tea party. So what is on the menu today are chocolate chip cookies. These are probably the best I have ever had, so I highly recommend checking them out. We also have made some deviled eggs. We are making these delicious strawberry jam and cream cheese croissants, as well as some little quiche appetizers, which those are actually pre-made and frozen. So we're going to be heating those up, cheese and crackers, and chocolate covered strawberries. So I think the menu definitely is a crowd pleaser. And for the tea, I have plenty of fancy teas, really nice tea leaves, but my daughter prefers just good old tea bags. So we're going to be using that for the tea, which is fine with me, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along. So I hope that you enjoy seeing all of our prep and the way that it comes out today. thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I am so happy that the spring is finally here, and I think having a little at-home tea party with the kids and my mom was a wonderful way to start off the season. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos, because they really are a lot of fun to share. And if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification up there somewhere so that you can be updated every time I share a new and fun video. So have a great, fun, and amazing spring season. I will see you guys all really soon. Take care. Bye.